Hey Brandon family, I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube. And Sean, I know that you borrowed one from us and you're gonna try to figure it out too. So I hope that happens. And I've been practicing this for yesterday and today, so 2 days. And I'm gonna have my dad mix it up, and I don't know how long it's gonna take, but here we go.
Let us video it and see how it goes, okay?
Here it goes.
First time that we videoed you, how many times have you actually solved this so far?
5.
5 times by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Not using apps to cheat or...
Nothing.
How'd you learn how to do it then?
I just figured it out myself. No, I'm just kidding.
You
You taught
did.
me.
You're a pretty smart kid.
Alright, that's good.
Okay, so just it's all mixed up, obviously. Okay, you want to show everybody how it's nice and mixed? Okay. All right. You want to talk about what you're going to try to do first, or are you just going to solve?
Yeah, I'll talk while I'm mixing.
Okay.
Or while I'm doing this. I'm going to first try to solve black, one side, and that's the black side. And then I'm going to try to, well, first I'll just solve black and show you how I did it. Oops. It's fine.
I think I got my first Rubik's Cube when I was 4 years old, so it only took me 40 years to learn how to solve it. Pretty quick. Right?
Alright, so now black solved, that's the first side you need to solve.
Okay.
Now I'm going to move on to solving one layer.
What do you mean?
Like, this color here, one color here, one color here,
So
and one color here.
The top layer right next to black?
The top layer right next to black.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay.
Do you know that less than 1% of people in the world can solve a Rubik's Cube?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
And of course, there's some people that can solve it in less than 10 seconds, so yeah. I guess we still got work to do, right?
To work.
Can we make any money solving the Rubik's Cube?
Yep.
Huh?
Renita wants to know if you can make any money solving a Rubik's Cube, Troy.
Yeah, you can.
How?
Be a professional Rubik's Cube solver.
You probably could charge people. What do you think people would pay to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube? 20 bucks?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you could teach other people how to do it?
Yeah, it's not that hard.
You'll never forget it.
It's not that hard at all, honestly, once you learn it. Just takes a little bit of practice. I didn't really like it when I was learning it, but now I love doing it.
Got my credit score went to excellent.
Congratulations on your excellent credit score, honey.
795.
We're videoing out here.
Alright, turn that up. Almost done with the first layer here.
Okay.
Almost done.
I'm gonna go put your gluten-free pepperoni pizza in the oven, okay?
Okay.
So let's keep recording. So keep talking to your viewers.
Okay. Almost done with the first layer. Almost, and I'm done with that first layer. So now I got blue right here, red right here, green right here, and orange right here. Now I'm going to move on to solving the second layer. And I'm going to use some pretty cool algorithms to solve this one. And that's like that's going to be the orange here, blue here, red here, etc. Here we go.
You having a good summer, Truett?
Yes.
What have you been up to?
Lots of camps, playing
When
outside.
do you watch the musical?
Went on a bike ride today, watched a musical,
Sweet.
and playing NBA.
What kind of camps?
Lots of different kinds. Lots of different kinds. Basketball, just all of them. Second layer's almost done. Okay, I'm gonna need this.
What's that?
Okay, blue. Okay,
How many pieces left in the second?
I think 3.
Okay.
Okay, go. I think I just still 3. Almost 2 though. Okay. Come on. Start picking up the pace here. Taking longer than normal. I have 2 left.
Okay.
Two lots from your stroller.
Okay.
Like I said, it took me 40 years to learn how to do this, so as long as this video is less than 40 years long, then you're way ahead of me, Truett.
Yep.
You don't think this video is going to be 40 years long, do you?
No.
4 hours long?
Mm-mm. I can do some of these parts with not even looking.
Wow.
Green.
How many side pieces left now?
It's almost done.
Okay. So do you still have black?
1 piece left,
Do you
yeah.
still have black? Let's see. You still have black, and then which
I got blue, red,
blue.
green. Now I have one, I think I have one more move till I get to.
Which piece are you looking for next?
I'm looking for the
This all?
orange one.
Orange one
So
in the middle?
watch
Okay.
this. Now over, down, over, up, over, down, and now I got the second layer solved.
Okay, let's take a look. Green, orange, blue,
Red.
red. Sweet.
The black.
Black, nice.
Now I'm going to be working on getting a yellow cross right here. So yellow line,
Okay.
yellow cross. Here we go.
Rocco.
Now I got the yellow cross.
Wow, that was quick. Okay.
Now I'm going to work on getting the orange cross. Green cross is already there. Red cross is already there. I need to get the blue cross and the orange cross.
Okay.
All right. Oopsies. I think I might have did something wrong, so I might need to do a few extra moves here.
Okay.
But that's fine, because it doesn't really matter. Because sometimes one, like if you do one part of the algorithm, it can make all the crosses go in if you get lucky.
Scott. I gotta
We're in the middle of a video, Mom.
How are they now? You want to line up?
It's fine. Here, I got
Okay.
it.
It looks like you're getting close.
Very close, actually. I need to get this orange one here.
Okay.
I gotta get orange.
Hold on.
And I got all of the crosses. So I got yellow cross, blue cross, black side, green cross, red cross, orange cross.
Okay. So now what?
Now I'm gonna need to. Now I need to get the corners all matched up. So here we go. Okay,
Making some
Yellow.
nice progress to it.
I know.
You're way ahead of schedule.
Yeah, I'm right ahead of schedule. It's easier than it looks. Just saying.
What do you mean?
Okay. Well,
You're
now.
making it look hard? Is that what you're saying?
Well,
Okay.
okay. Well, now I got the orange.
Okay.
Or I got the orange,
Okay.
yellow, and green corner. So that's matched up. If you can see that.
Yep.
Yellow, green, and then you don't need them to be like the same. Like you don't need to have red here and green here and yellow here. They just got to be the same three colors.
But eventually you do,
And I
don't
got,
you?
yeah, but not now.
Okay.
3 colors right there. And I got the 3 colors right there that I need. 3
Okay.
colors there, there.
Okay.
There, flip the Rubik's Cube back up. So now, because before it was facing the yellow side, now you're going to flip it back up to the black side. And you're going to do the rest of the work there.
All right, let's do it. Go to work.
All right. And it is messed up.
What? Is it really? Did you mess it up? No. Did you solve it?
Solved.
Oh, I thought you were joking. Okay. Let's see it. Let's
Okay, I
see
got
the size.
black,
Yep.
blue, yellow, green, orange.
Wow. Boom.
Solved, baby. Let's go.
There you go. Let's do it.